In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Device Connection. Following that, select Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear next to the device and hitting on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same device by hitting Pair New Device again, clicking on the same one and selecting Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!